Procedure. Step 1. Cleanse the skin. Using a mild cleanser, thoroughly cleanse the skin to be treated without scrubbing and remove dirt, makeup, and excess sebum prior to application. Carefully examine the skin prior to performing the procedure, looking for signs of dryness, pigmentation abnormalities, photo damage, and lines and wrinkles. Advise the patient and discuss the optimal planned treatment protocol and expectations. Then, securely place individual eye protectant pads over the eyes. Step 2. Application. Apply Dualise evenly with the spatula to the treatment area. Gently massage into the treatment area in a circular motion with the applicator sponge for 2 to 3 minutes. To activate the chemical peeling process, lightly spray the skin with water using a spray bottle and allow Dualise to remain on the face for approximately 5 minutes while monitoring patient's progress. Do not continue to massage during the 5-minute waiting time. It is common for patients to experience a mild tingling or burning sensation and a warming effect in the treated area. This is a normal reaction to the product and procedure. If the patient feels a heightened effect or a more significant burning sensation, or if you observe an area of moderate to severe erythema or eye irritation, or if the patient experiences an allergic reaction, remove the product immediately and rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Step 3. Remove and rinse. After the product has been on the skin for the 5-minute waiting period, gently remove Dualise from the skin, clean the skin with a mild cleanser, and thoroughly rinse the skin with warm water. Step 4. Moisturize. The final step is to apply a moisturizer to the skin, followed by a sunscreen. Post-treatment instructions. After a Dualise treatment, some patients may experience temporary flaking or scaling, redness, and dryness of the skin. At times, the skin will feel like you have a mild sunburn. Advise patients not to pick or pull at the skin. The dry, devitalized skin naturally sloughs off. Advise patients to use a mild cleanser during the skin healing process and to refrain from using a washcloth or scrub for approximately a week. Applying a non-comedogenic moisturizer daily or as often as needed can usually minimize post-treatment peeling. It is important to note that the Dualise dual resurfacing system may make skin more sensitive to the sun. Caution patients to avoid sun exposure and to apply adequate sunscreen protection for a minimum of 1 week after you complete treatment. Patients should avoid sun exposure as part of routine skincare, and continued sun exposure may cause a delay in skin healing, leading to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation.
I find that this product is magical because I can walk in here at noon for an appointment and walk out at 12:30 within a half hour and look like $1 million. And when I get back to my office, people say to me, "What have you done? Did you get a haircut at lunch? Or what you've done something? Why do you look so young today?" And I've done nothing. And even when I'm finished here, you know, I've just had the peel. There's no redness. There's no irritability at all. It's just a smooth, quite honestly, youthfulness to my skin. And I'm not exaggerating.
The next morning, the morning after the procedure, I noticed that my skin was softer. I noticed that a lot of the discoloration, at least a week after the treatment, started to fade. My pores were definitely smaller. I wasn't peeling. I didn't peel at all. In fact, because there was no burning during the procedure, I actually got a little concerned that it wouldn't be effective. But the first few days, like I said, there was no peeling. I didn't have any peeling, and noticed that just the texture of my skin had improved tremendously.
I was always afraid of trying, products. So I went ahead and I said, okay, why don't we go ahead and try that? And when I tried it and they did the first day, like after, of course, I went home and, I washed my face and stuff. And in the morning when I applied my makeup, the first thing before I applied my makeup, I noticed that my face was just like, my skin was so smooth and it had like a radiance kind of like look. And I was like, wow, I can't believe it. So I was like, you know what, I think I really like this. I'm gonna